Hi, I'm Leo with PrimeLine Products, and in this short video I'm going to show you how easy it is to install any one of our basket strainer assemblies that come with a pre-installed putty rapid ring, which will save you time, mess, and money in just a few simple steps. Before I do that, allow me to show you everything you don't have to do with our basket strainer assembly products that include a pre-installed putty rapid ring. You don't have to remember to purchase a tub of plumber's putty to use only a small portion of it. You don't have to dig out a clump of putty. You don't have to guess if you dug out enough to roll. You don't need to soften or roll putty into a rope. You don't need to keep testing the length of the rope to add more putty if the length is too short, or to cut off the excess if you rolled too much. And you will not end up with dirty hands and a greasy counter you might want to clean before proceeding with your installation of your new basket assembly. Installing one of PrimeLine's basket assemblies with a pre-installed putty rapid ring is literally as easy as 1, 2, and 3. 1. If replacing an old assembly, first remove it from the sink, then remove your new assembly from the packaging. 2. Remove the washers and the metal nut from the body. 3. Insert the basket into the bowl, then proceed with standard under-sink installation process to complete your project. It is literally that easy. PrimeLine's pre-installed plumber's putty rapid rings make it that simple to install. These basket assemblies fit most sinks from a variety of manufacturers. All parts necessary for installation are included with these basket strainers, and they can be used in both new installs and repair or replacement projects.